Coming up next, Salesian News Asia-Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 91st episode of Salesian News Asia-Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata. India, book on Venerable Francis Convertini released. Father Arvind Khalko reports from Kolkata.
Cardinal Patrick de Rosario of Dhaka, Bangladesh, released the book Father Francis Convertini, Jibono Darshan, on Venerable Francis Convertini, on the occasion of the perpetual profession of 5 clerics held at Auxilium Parish Hall, Kolkata on 5th February. Father Joseph Poria, the Provincial of Kolkata, handed a copy of the book to Cardinal Patrick de Rosario. Father Newton of Krishnanagar Diocese, handling Father Convertini's cause, felicitated the popular author Arup Kumar Haldar and music director Dilip Rosario. Arup Haldar, a prominent Bengali lyricist, penned the songs in honor of Father Convertini, a Salesian Italian missionary who worked in the Diocese of Krishnanagar. Dilip Rosario, Kolkata-based music director and composer, has scored the music. Venerable Father Francis Convertini was born in 1898 at Contrada, Marinelli, Italy. Arriving in India on December 26, 1927, Father Convertini carried out his priestly ministry in Krishnanagar Diocese, where the people loved him for his goodness and gentleness. He breathed his last in Krishnanagar in 1976. His cause for beatification and canonization was introduced on October 16, 1991.
Indonesia Salesian Parish marks Don Bosco's feast cleaning Sunter Lake in the capital. Father Andre Delimarta reports from Jakarta.
St. John Bosco Parish of Jakarta, Indonesia, marked Don Bosco's feast with a lake cleaning activity. The day before the feast, the parish committee poured 250 liters of eco-enzyme into the nearby lake to improve the water quality of the lake. This activity is expected to be held regularly. Eco-enzyme is a complex solution produced by fermentation of fresh kitchen waste, such as fruit and vegetable dregs, and sugar. It should be brown sugar, jaggery, or molasses sugar, and water. Enzyme residues flow underground and help purify the lake water. By using a boat, the parish priest, parish council, and some representatives from the government poured eco-enzyme into the lake, while other people also join in pouring the same from the shores of the lake.
Church Art Kolkata, a 40-year-old church decor establishment, is also specialized in church door paneling. Count on us to make your existing church doors into beautifully ornate entryway embellished with Christian liturgical and sacramental motifs. You will be amazed at the bronze finish looks of your existing wooden door, which becomes water and weatherproof with no maintenance cost for longer periods. For affordable prices and hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram, country code 919831020945. India, Salesian Cooperators visit Salesian College, Siliguri and Sonada. Banhun Lang Lingdo reports from Siliguri.
A group of 19 Salesian Cooperators from Karnataka visited Salesian College Siliguri on 8th February 2022. Salesian Father Dominic Savio of Bangalore province accompanied them. Association of the Salesian Cooperators is the movement of laity of the Salesian family of Don Bosco. It is also one of the three main branches of the Salesian family founded directly by Don Bosco in 1876. Arriving by flight from Bangalore, the group had lunch in the college and a short visit of the campus before the group left for Salesian College Sonada. The first-time visitors visited Darjeeling as well as Don Bosco School Mirik before they returned home on 10th February.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. East Timor, past pupils launch ecological movement with tree planting campaign. Father Jolino Vieira reports from Delhi.
The Don Bosco alumni of East Timor mark the feast of Don Bosco with a tree planting activity to avoid soil erosion and build a greener society. It was held in Lesibutak, Dili, the capital of Timor-Leste. Other Salesian family members of East Timor were also actively involved in the activity, together with some students from St. Michael, Crystal, and St. Peter Parish School, accompanied by their teachers. Some influential past pupils in the country also participated in the activity, such as retired General Larry Anand Timor, Mr. Inacio Moreira, Mr. Azevedo Marsal, and many others. The community leaders, where the trees were planted, assured all the Salesian family members that they will take good care of the saplings. After the activity, the past pupils music group animated everyone with their presentations.
India, Dimapur province releases Don Bosco Green Protocol. Here's Father Jose Thomas with details.
The regional for South Asia, Father Biju Michael, released the Green Protocol at a colorful ceremony attended by Provincial Father Jose Kurivachara, other priests and brothers, and the young priests of the province on February 6, 2022 at Dimapur Provincial House. The inauguration of the Green Protocol comes ahead of the regional's extraordinary visitation of the province and will mark the centenary of the arrival of the Salesians to Northeast India. Through the Green Protocol, the province intends to spread the message of be clean, be green, be happy, and be kind to everything that lives. The Green Protocol has 12 chapters, beginning with a green spiritual movement, preserving and conserving Mother Earth, strategies to attain green identity, green auditing, waste management, ending institutional and personal targets in 10 years. The regional also released Lessons on Green (LOG) series on the expected outcome of the green policy and the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. He lauded the efforts of Father Andrew Xavier and the Commission in making the Green Dream and for giving the mantra of turning ordinary into extraordinary by habit formation at an early stage.
India, Insurance Corporation gives ambulance to street children homes. Father Yeramenini Bali reports from Hyderabad.
The General Insurance Corporation of India, in collaboration with BoscoNet and Bosco Seva Kendra, donated an ambulance for the medical and emergency needs of the street, orphan and marginalized children residing at Don Bosco Navjivan homes in Hyderabad. The chairman and managing director of insurance company lauded the efforts of Don Bosco in reaching out to the neediest of the society. Started in 1999, Salesians run 5 children's homes spread out in the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad.
Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia-Pacific. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata. Enjoy the rest of your day.